how to fix Tremendous, please enter a valid work email address. So if you go to the website and click on sign up now, let's say that you fill out all of your information here, and I'm just going to fill out the password as well. So everything matches, but your email address is this, for example, and it ends at gmail.com. If I try to click on continue, you will get this error. Email, please enter a valid work email address. That happens because your email address needs to end, so it needs to be at and then your company name right here. So if you are part of a company and you have a work email, you want to use that one. And also what you can do is use a support email. So basically you will need, for example, if you have access to a support email, you work for tech support and you have a support at whatever email, you can use that one as well, and it's gonna let you sign up. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.